Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry properly. Begin by building a strong foundation. Focus on understanding the basic principles of bonding, molecular structure, and hybridization. It's crucial to memorize the common functional groups and their characteristic reactions early on. Regularly practice drawing Lewis structures and identifying resonance forms to solidify your understanding of electron movement. This initial effort will pay dividends throughout your course. Next, shift your focus to reaction mechanisms. Instead of simply memorizing reactions, strive to understand the step-by-step electron flow. This conceptual understanding allows you to predict outcomes for unfamiliar reactions. Dedicate significant time to working through a wide variety of practice problems. Challenge yourself to predict both the products and the necessary reagents for given transformations. Consistent practice is key to developing intuition. To truly master the material, incorporate active recall and spaced repetition into your study routine. Don't just passively reread notes. Actively test yourself using flashcards or by explaining concepts without looking at your textbook. Review older material at increasing intervals to strengthen your long-term memory. Explaining complex ideas aloud, as if teaching someone else, is an excellent way to identify gaps in your knowledge and solidify your understanding. Finally, enhance your spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills. Use molecular models or online tools to visualize molecules in 3 dimensions, understanding their stereochemistry. Regularly tackle multi-step synthesis problems, which integrate many concepts. Learn to think retrosynthetically, working backward from the desired product to the starting materials. This approach is vital for solving the most challenging organic chemistry problems effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.